Almost everything you love to eat feels incomplete without cheese. But here's what most people never ask. Where does it really come from?
Stop for a second. Think about this.
Do you know how cheese is actually made? If you eat it in your food, you should know where it comes from. Come with us, let's step inside the factory and see the real process.
Every block of cheese begins long before the factory, here, on the farm.
This is where precision quietly starts. Clean systems protect every drop. Technology meets animal care. The flow begins.
Freshness is preserved in motion.
Every batch is checked before it moves.
Temperature and timing matter. Cold keeps purity intact.
Now it's ready to travel. The journey continues. Sealed. Protected.
Nothing is left to chance.
Approval given.
Fresh milk is on the move.
Distance is measured in minutes.
Every mile is monitored.
Integrity travels with the load.
Checks prevent surprises. Good evening.
Precision doesn't pause.
Industry comes into view. Arrival is organized.
Controlled access protects quality.
Flow continues inside.
Data confirms the load.
Position to unload.
Consistency matters.
Sealed before transfer. Movement resumes. First safeguards engage. Power without turbulence.
Transfer complete.
Scale defines modern dairy. Now, the factory takes over. Storage built for purity. Nothing moves untracked.
Human discipline matters.
Cleanliness is engineered.
Preparation is routine.
The process is watched.
Safety begins here. Eat with precision.
Exactness protects flavor.
Time and heat align. Seconds matter. Stability is restored. Transformation is about to begin. Motion without damage.
Life is added carefully.
The process awakens. Structure is planned. Milk begins to change its state. Structure is carefully defined. Uniformity sets the foundation.
Liquid and solid part ways.
Time strengthens texture. Even motion prevents damage. Heat fine-tunes consistency.
Human expertise confirms machines.
Verification runs in parallel.
Balance is adjusted.
The line moves forward.
Gravity and motion cooperate.
Moisture is reduced.
Volume takes shape.
Hands refine the process. Texture is refined further.
Consistency is perfected.
Flavor comes next. Salt defines balance. Measured, never guessed.
Even flavor begins here.
Time allows absorption.
Shape is introduced.
Pressure prepares structure. Force without shock.
Moisture leaves the form. Patience builds density.
Control defines outcome.
Eyes confirm systems.
Form is set.
Structure achieved.
Now they move a 1.
Confirmed.
Only consistency proceeds.
Time will do the rest.
Time now becomes the craftsman.
Conditions are carefully held.
Balance shapes texture.
Every block finds its place.
Air moves evenly, never harshly.
Moisture leaves, character stays.
Uniform aging is enforced.
Touch still matters.
Days change what minutes cannot. Readiness is measured.
Every origin is traceable.
The wait ends.
Movement resumes.
Prepared for precision. Stability prevents stress. Transformation continues. Now, machines take the lead. Automation refines consistency. Every millimeter is read. Machines adjust instantly. Cleave cuts preserve structure. Precision is enforced.
Speed without chaos.
Nothing slips through.
Quality stays uncompromised.
Systems stay synchronized.
Protection stays invisible.
Accuracy is verified.
Final sizing achieved.
Preparation continues.
Cleanliness never pauses. Consistency achieved.
Final refinement begins.
Presentation matters.
Texture is protected.
Human eyes confirm.
Uniformity perfected. Ready for sealing. Protection begins.
Measured placement.
Security confirmed.
Traceability stays intact.
Ready for inspection.
Quality takes center stage. Verification never stops.
Strength is measured. Safety is scientific.
Consistency verified.
Texture confirmed.
Nutrition verified.
Cleared for market.
Nothing delayed. Ready to ship. Final stage begins. Ready to ship. Final stage begins.
Prepared for transport.
Secured for travel.
Order at scale.
Stability ensured.
Freshness preserved.
Ready inventory.
Timing matters.
Cold chain continues. Handled with care.
Protected till arrival.
On its way. From farm to factory.
Made with precision.
Built by people.
And this is how modern factories produce cheese from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.